920 horsepower. From a V8, Lamborghini just did something they have not done in 50 years, and the result looks absolutely violent. This is the 2026 Temerario, and what you are staring at is the most controversial Lamborghini in decades. Because that screaming V10 everyone loved? Gone, replaced by something with forced induction. And before you riot, you need to understand why this might actually be better. Look at this thing. The hexagonal headlights sit so low they almost touch the ground. Every single surface has been carved to push air somewhere important. The Alleggerita Package adds high-gloss black accents that make this blue paint pop like electricity on metal. From the side, it sits wider and more aggressive than the Huracán ever did. The proportions are angrier, meaner, and those wheels look like they belong on a fighter jet. But everything you see exists to cool what sits behind you. Pop that rear cover. A 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 stares back at you. 789 horsepower from the combustion engine alone. Then Lamborghini strapped 3 electric motors to it, 1 up front, 2 in the back. Combined output? 920 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes 2.7 seconds. That is hypercar territory for what Lamborghini calls their entry-level supercar. The Temerario does not care about your nostalgia for naturally aspirated engines. It just wants to rearrange your internal organs. Step inside. The cockpit wraps around you like the interior of a spacecraft. Everything angles toward the driver. A digital instrument cluster replaces the old analog gauges. The infotainment screen sits vertically. And yes, it finally has Apple CarPlay. The seats grip you tight enough to remind you this car means business. Alcantara and leather cover every surface you touch. And those cup holders on the dashboard? Lamborghini actually listen. Practicality in a supercar. What a time to be alive. The driving modes are controlled through a rotary dial on the steering wheel. Strata, Sport, Corsa, and full electric mode for silent neighborhood creeping. Speaking of which, you can drive this thing on pure electricity. The front motor alone can push you around town without waking anyone up. A 920 horsepower supercar that can sneak. So what does all this cost? The base Temerario starts around 318,000 euros before options. This Alleggerita package with all the extras? Nearly 478,000 euros. That is serious money. But consider what you get. Hybrid technology that makes 920 horsepower possible. A twin-turbo 5-liter that Lamborghini developed entirely from scratch. And the most technologically advanced supercar Supercar has ever built. The V10 is dead. Long live the V8. And here's what nobody is talking about. This is not just a replacement for the Huracán. This is Lamborghini telling the entire industry where supercars are going. Hybrid power, instant torque, electric front axle for all-wheel drive precision that mechanical system simply cannot match. The purists will cry about the V10, but the stopwatch does not care about nostalgia. 2.7 seconds to 100. That number speaks louder than any exhaust note ever could. Drop a comment and tell me if Lamborghini made the right call killing the V10. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.